back with the Tucson. Thanks for stopping by, everybody. In my last video, I forgot to mention something very important, and that's the RH, passenger side, turn signal is white, but on the LH, driver's side, the turn signal is yellow. The wire's yellow. But on the right hand passenger side, it's white. So I just wanted to point that out. I don't think I mentioned it. Also, if you don't know how to T-tap, I suggest you get a scrap piece of wire and practice. So there's a couple different kinds, and they're all very similar. I like these ones because they somewhat make a seal to prevent moisture from getting in, and I don't trust it, so I also tape it. After I'm done, I tape everything up really good so it'll stay dry inside. But you just squeeze it together until it locks in place, and then you use a spade connector. Attach it to the other side. So practice on a scrap piece of wire if you've never done this before. You're going to have to do this 4 times. Twice for the turn signals, once for the DRL, and once for the blue light to come on. So once you finish T-tapping it, tape it up really good, seal it up. It'll last for a very long time. It makes a very good connection. It'll last a very long time. So that's the driver's side. But I wanted to show you the passenger side in this video because I don't think I mentioned it last time. Turn signal is a white wire, so you have to connect the yellow wire that comes with the kit to the white wire. So I got a preferred trend package SEL version of the Tucson. And as far as the wiring goes, it's gonna come out around here unless you drill a hole somewhere along the middle of the vent. It's like a tunnel, so you gotta drill a hole in the middle, but I just have it right now at the end of the tunnel going up through this area here. So you can just leave it like this and cover up the wires, or you can do what I'm gonna do in a future video and drill a hole somewhere along the tunnel and send the wires up through there. Alright guys, I hope I explained things a little better now, but there's probably gonna be a lot of stuff I'm still missing and some questions, so let me know if I can help you out with anything else. I've had the lights now for a couple weeks almost, I think, or something, and it's rained. I've used them. They've been working flawlessly. So And when you use your key fob to unlock or lock your car, they also light up amber. And when you start your car, it does the start scan. So these are really cool lights, guys. They're very bright. This is during the day. So turn signals are very cool. And I love how it goes back to white like that. So I love my fog lights too, guys. I don't know what I like more, my fog lights or these. Probably these sequential lights because they look OEM, and I love the blue. Alright guys, thank you for coming by. I don't know what else I can share with you today, but if I think of anything, I'm gonna post a video for you as soon as I can. I have side step lights. I can't wait to get those installed. And I also have an oil pressure gauge, not just for motor oil, but also a transmission oil temperature gauge. So this should be interesting. I also have some other information about oil components on the 2.5 Smart Stream. So stay tuned for that. Take care of your Tucson. We'll see you soon.